Last year, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the sitting of all examinations were impacted, leaving the Caribbean Examinations Council with no choice than to have a modified version of the exams, the multiple choice or paper one component of the exams, as the only option for grading. Education Minister Emmeline Pierre on Tuesday says this is another first.
That as it relates to the CSEC examination, this year we are going to be doing paper one electronically, and the good news is that we are going to be doing far more than we did pre-COVID in that regard, meaning that only math and English will not be done electronically this year. It is a first for Grenada, and this, in my opinion, is commendable, the fact that we are in a crisis. Last year, we were not able to do any of the exams electronically.
CSEC and CAPE exams are set to begin in 1 month's time. Citing the challenges brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic on the education system, more so on students preparing for exams, students were given the option to defer the sitting of their CSEC and CAPE exams until 2022 if they believe they are not ready for the exams this year. However, during Tuesday's media briefing, the Education Minister says they have not had anything significant in that regard.
Locally with our principals here, the feeling was that the students in Grenada will be reasonably ready for the exam, and there was no need to have any mass deferrals of examination. Now, we have said to students here, we cannot tell you, or parents, we cannot tell you, you cannot defer because the option is available. However, what we have said is that our policy decision on deferral is that we cannot guarantee every child who chooses, or every parent who decides for their child that they're not going to sit the exam this year, that they would automatically be able to return to Form 5 next year. We do not have the space.
As for primary school students preparing to sit the CPEA exams, the minister says they will not be doing so online. The option has been taken into consideration for the past 2 years. However, she believes more training ought to be done.
Interestingly, this year we were going to, for the first time, be able to have our primary school students do their exam electronically for the very first time. And we took a policy decision not to proceed, even if we have all the resources available to be able to do that. The decision was taken not to, because we felt that our primary school students needed a lot more practice to use the devices, the keyboard, and so on and so forth. And so we will be ready for next year exam because we are going to be expanding our IT program at the primary school level beginning this term.
Christina John, GBN News.